Welcome to this step-by-step Lilium candle tutorial, one of the most searched DIY flower candle projects. In this video I'll teach you exactly how to create realistic lily petals from beeswax, with clear instructions perfect for beginners. Stay with me until the end to learn everything from melting wax to shaping, coloring, and assembling your final flower candle. Let's get started. I use beeswax granules with white and yellow pigments. First, I melt the beeswax granules, then add the white and yellow colors. Then I pour the melted wax onto a silicone sheet to create thin wax sheets and let them cool. After cooling, I gently cut the petals using a lilium-shaped cutter. I cut 5 petals for this flower. Then I shape the petals with a lilium petal veiner to make them look realistic. I use oil colors for shading and detailing the petals and let them dry for 1 full day. When the petals are dry, I attach them one by one to the flower core. If you want a tutorial on how to make the flower core, tell me in the comments and I will upload it. I explained everything, but if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thank you for staying with me until the end. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials. And don't forget to like. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.